In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Longtail Pro, which is a keyword research tool that will tell you how often people are searching for specific product terms in Google for the products that you want to sell. And we are going to start over at my blog, over at mywifequitherjob.com. And I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And if you want to follow along with this tutorial step by step alongside with me, click on this link, which will take you over to Longtail Pro, where you can actually save 30% off of the tool. All right, and so once you've signed up, here is actually what the tool looks like. And the way it works is you type in a seed keyword, and then Longtail Pro will go out and find all the different permutations of that keyword that people actually search for in Google search. So I ran this example earlier for you, but here I essentially typed in essential oils, in case you guys are wanting to sell essential oils, and then I clicked on the retrieve button, and then it spit out all these different permutations of the keyword essential oils. Now what's nice about this tool is it will tell you the search volume, and this is basically how many people search for this exact search term in any given month, and it also gives you this average KC number. KC stands for keyword competitiveness, and it basically tells you how hard it is to actually rank that keyword in search. And in general, any value lower than 35, I should say, is relatively easy to rank for in search. So if you scroll down here, you'll notice that some of these keywords are highlighted in green, which means that they're extremely easy to rank for. Like essential oils Australia is one of the easier to rank for keyword terms. High quality essential oils is another keyword term that it's pretty easy to rank for, according to Longtail Pro. Same goes for food grade essential oils. Bottom line, this tool will give you an idea of which keywords you should actually target for your e-commerce store, and it also gives you the search volume so you can actually estimate demand for the product that you want to sell. All right, so that's just a high-level overview of the tool. There's also other tools built into Longtail Pro once you sign up, like a built-in rank tracker, backlink analysis, and that sort of thing. So once again, Longtail Pro is very useful if you want to calculate demand and competition for your keywords in Google search. And if you use my link, you can save 30% off of the tool.